Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at algebraic expressions, simplifying algebraic expressions. And just to make a recap, an algebraic expression is an expression which has no equal sign. So now, the expressions which we are going to deal with today, which I've just selected two questions from past papers, are expressions which have to do a minus and some squares. So in most cases, when you find an expression which has got some squares, we have to check around if at all maybe it has to do with a difference of two squares. Just a reminder, a difference of two squares dictates that if you have an expression which has got a minus in between and both sides of the minus are squared, it can be rewritten as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So using the same concept, that's how we are going to work out this particular expression. But now, there is an argument that in our question you have got things which have got squares like this. But this is not a barrier because we take a leaf from the index rules, which dictates that where you have two terms which you are multiplying, they've got the same power, you are allowed to multiply the bases. So in this case it will be a times b, then you maintain the power. So using the same concept, we can multiply a times x, it gives us ax, and then we maintain the power, which is power 2. So from there we are going to write ax in brackets squared minus by squared. We are dividing this expression by ax plus by. So now using this ax now has become, when you look at this rule, it has become a, and by has become b alone here. So using that same concept, we are going to rewrite this as ax minus by multiplied by ax. So ax plus by multiplied by ax minus by, dividing by ax plus by. So looking at this, you can see that in the expression in the numerator, we are multiplying these two terms. So since we are multiplying, we are allowed to divide the common factors. You can see ax plus by is the common factor, so we divide these so that we remain with ax minus by as our final answer. Now we go to our second question. Our second question is 6x squared minus 24 over divided by x minus 2. Again, when you look at this question, it has got somewhere where there is a square and also there is a minus. So we can think in the line of maybe this particular question has got something to do with a difference of two squares. The minus, always when you just look at the minus, just try to bring this concept of difference of two squares. But it's not always the case. But in most cases, it might just work to our advantage once we identify that. So when you look at this expression, there is 6x squared minus 24. We can try to factorize the numerator first. We see how it goes. So once we have 6 as factored out, we are going to remain with x squared minus 4. How is this coming about? As good as when you get something out of this expression, the whole of this, you just go, since we have got 6 here, we get the same 6x squared because that's why we are dividing. We divide it by 6. This will give us x squared. We'll bring it over here. And then we get negative 24. We divide it by 6. What are we going to get? Negative 4. So we have this expression over x minus 2. Again, when you look at this problem, you can see that, of course, we have 6 outside here. And then we have got x, which is squared. Now, the question we have to ask ourselves, in order for us to qualify this question to apply the concept of a difference of two squares, can 4 be expressed as a power, as a squared number? Yes, because once we rewrite 4 as a square number, which is 2 to the power 2, this will give us a difference of two squares. Why? In the brackets here, I've got a minus and two terms have a square. Now, when look at this, this expression and this, they are not different. Why? Because once we square 2 times 2, it gives us 4. So it can get back, it can take us back to where we are coming from. That entails that what we are doing is correct. So from here, we are going to write this using the concept of difference of 2 squared. This will be x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Again, here we are multiplying 6 times whatever is in the brackets times this. So we have got a common factor, which is x minus 2. That's the reason why we are dividing. This is not cancelling. It means that we are dividing. X minus 2 divided by x minus 2. It gives us 1. 1 times whatever is remaining gives us the same as our solution. So this will be our final answer. So ladies, this is what I had for you for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have got any comments, please don't forget, drop them in the comment section so that I can try to work on certain things which are maybe not going well in this particular channel. If there's anything you want me to change at all, please do not hesitate to comment, or maybe you can reach me on WhatsApp. I will really appreciate your contributions to this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.